Hi, today I'm for the new Redmi 12R and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So first we should open the control panel and find here scanner icon. Just click once on this icon and after that we should place our QR code inside of this frame. So let's do this. Wait a second, and also be sure that you are connected to the internet, to mobile data or to the Wi-Fi. Here we got this link of our QR code, so tap to go to website and we could see that this is the Wikipedia article. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.